Hey everyone, Colin here, and wanted to give a quick update on what's happening with XRP. Now, literally the morning before this broke out, I sent a video to my private WhatsApp group of traders, and I said, guys, XRP is looking very good to me. It has my attention. And this is when XRP was about 68 cents. And I said, here we are, we're coming up to this major resistance area, an area that we've stayed below now for quite some time. This was actually down here around 68 cents. And I said, we've been under this level really since January 2018. Okay, so over 2 years. Well, 19, 20, 21, over 3 years, we've been under this level. And I could see we had attempted to break it twice, and now here we were coming up for the third try at this, and I said, this is going to be a pretty significant move. So at that point in time, we bought into XRP, and as you can see, from 68 cents, it rallied within a day up to, almost 100%, right? $1.11. So those are some major gains. Now, let's talk about what's happening right now. And I don't really pay attention, to be honest, to all of the news and stuff like that. I know XRP has some stuff going on with the trial. I know that at the end of the day, XRP is going to come out of that on top, and then it's going to return to its all-time high and probably beyond. But what I'm really concerned about is the timing, right? You can maximize your profits by knowing when to get into a certain coin, when to get into a trade. And so for me right now, XRP is looking pretty good, but here are the next things now in terms of the next steps that we need to see. As you can see from this Fibonacci retracement, which was from the all-time high down to the all-time low, I actually need to bring that down here, right? So from the all-time high to the all-time low, we see that, this is beautiful confluence, right? Look at this. This Fibonacci level at 236 was at about 88 cents. And so what we want to see right now is for us to get above and stay above this 2-3 level on the fib. We are on the weekly chart, right? Because when you get these confirmations on the weekly chart, that means it's a very strong move. It's a very strong confirmation. And so as you can see, we went all the way up to $1.10, which was, to be quite honest, also where I said we would probably go. I was saying anywhere from $1.02 to $1.09. It went up to like $1 and almost 11 cents. So at that point in time, we took some profits and we were expecting a retracement, bought back in at around 90 cents. Now, here is what we really need to see. Like I said, for this week, because this is a weekly candle and this isn't over yet. This candle is not over yet. So you can't celebrate as much yet. We want this confirmation, okay? And what we want to see is we want to see a confirmation above this 2-3 line on the fib, but especially above this level, right, which is above 80 cents. Simply because we've been under this level, right? Goodness, we have been under this level May 2018. Okay, so well over 2.5 years, coming around 3 years, we've been under this level. So getting above this level is extremely significant and a very, very positive sign that we're going to be seeing more upside. I'm sure in the coming months you're going to get more news about the court case that are going to be in Ripple's favor, and everybody will think that this is what's going to push the price up, etc. But to be honest, guys, the news always coincides with the charts. I go by technical analysis first. So like I said, we want to hold support above 90 cents would be great, but especially above this 80 cent level. That is the confirmation we want, especially on a weekly candle. We may see a little bit of sideways consolidation here, even though normally XRP, when it pumps, it really pumps quickly. But to see some consolidation above this level would be really healthy. And then of course our next leg up, we're looking at $1.30, call it $1.34. That's the next level we would expect some resistance, because of course if we look left, we see that this was major resistance. Actually held it up as support here for this week. So for 3 weeks, resistance, support, and support again. So this was a significant level. I would expect a slight retracement here. But the most important thing, closing and staying above this level that I just told you, this zone, is going to be the most significant and most bullish thing for XRP in 3 years. All right, and then of course we're going to definitely be looking for it to make its way back up, in the coming months. And I think that's looking good. So I just wanted to give that update about XRP, but this is what we're looking for in terms of that confirmation on the weekly candle. So let's pay attention to that as time goes on. All right. If you like this content, please go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell, and share it with someone else you think would appreciate this content. Take care, guys.